Hello students, before going to the topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Imran Sari and today I am going to teach you some concept that is related to the Vedic Maths. Okay, so in this class we are going to deal with some important concept. The first concept will be that the quickest way to find the square of a number that is nearer to 100, and the second topic is that the quickest way to find the square of a number that end with 5. Okay, so let's begin the topic. Let's take one example. I'm saying that suppose I'm going to take example that is 95. Okay, 95 is a number. Okay, and you are going to find the what is the square of this 95. Look students, first step is that is this 95 is nearer to 100? Yes, this 95 is nearer to 100. Then first step that just subtract this 95, just subtract this 95 with 100. Okay, your first step is that just subtract this 95 with 100. How much you got? That is you will get minus 5. Okay, you will get minus 5. Now second step is that just add 95, just add 95 with this result, with this minus 5. Means I am saying that just add this 95 with minus 5. How much you got? That is you will get a 90. You will get 90. And the third step is that what is the square of this number? What is the square of this number? You will get that is a 25. Just add this 25 besides of 90 and you will see that the result you get. What is the square of 95 the whole square? You will get the answer is now we can take the help of a calculator. Okay, how much you got students? You can see that in the question how much you got, that is 9025 now, and this was the result you get in this process also. Now one more question we can do by using this method. Suppose I am going to find what is the square of this number. Suppose you take the what is the square. This is 103 the whole square. Okay students. Now students, look, this 103 is nearer to 100. Yes, 103 is nearer to 100 students. The first step that just see that the number is nearer to 100. Yes, 103 is nearer to 100. Then first step is that yes, it is nearer to 100. The second step is that just subtract 103 with 100. So I am saying that in the second step you will do that 103 minus 100. 103 minus 100. How much you got, student? That is plus 3. How much you got? Plus 3. Third step is that the third step you will do at just add 103 with this number. So how much you got? That is a plus 3. You will get how much? And that is a 106. And students, say what is the square of this number? What is the square of this number? That is you will get 9. So students, look here. You are going to write this 9. Make this 9 as 2-digit number. Make this 9 as a 2-digit number. Okay. Then after making this number as a 2-digit, then just add besides it. Just add besides it. Okay. And you will see that you will get the output. You will get the output. Okay. Now we can take the help of calculator. Is it is correct or not? So now you can see that how much you got, students. You can see 10,609 now. So by using this concept we can find the square of a number that is nearer to 100. Again we should take the last example. Okay, suppose I got that is 94 the whole square. Look students, this 94 is nearer to 100. Yes, this 94 is nearer to 100. Then the first step is that yes, it is nearer to 100. The second step is that what? Just subtract 94. Just subtract this 94 with 100. With 100 you will get how much? That you will get minus 6. You will get how much? Minus 6. The third step is that just add this minus 6 with 94. Means in the third step it is saying that just add this 94 with this minus 6. Okay, how much you got, students? You will get that is how much you got? That is 880. You will get 88. Okay, how much you got? That is you will get 88. Now our fourth step is what? The fourth is that find the square of this minus 6. Find the square of this minus 6. How much you got, students? You will get that is a 36. You will get 36. Just add it. And after this you will find that 94 the whole square is how much you got? That is 8,836. Students, now again we can take the help of calculator and we can find it. Is it correct or not? Now 94 into 94 you will find that how much you got? How much I got? Look here, 8,836. Now you can see that it is matching with the calculator also. Now we'll start. The topic is that what was the second topic? That is the quickest way to find the square of a number that is end with 5. So we'll find that is we are going to find the square of a number that is end with 5. Now it is saying that any number is there. Look here, any number is there, but at the unit place it must be 5. So how you're going to find the square of this number, students? Suppose I'm going to take the example of this like this. Suppose I'm going to find the square of 15. So look at this 5 is fixed now. This 5 is at the unit place. You can see now. Again, suppose I'm going to find the square of that is 25. Look here, 5 is at the unit place. So I'm saying that 5 must be at the unit place. Okay. So then there is a quick method to find the square of these type of number. Okay. A number that is and with 5. Suppose I'm going to take the example of again that is 35. Okay, and you can see that is 35, that is 5 is going to end now. So it is asking that how you're going to find the square of these type of number, that is the number end with 5. Look the students, it is very easy method. It is a very easy method. The first step is that what is the square of this 5? Write the students. What is the square of this 5? That is 25. What is the value of 5 square? That is 25. Now students say what is the successor of this one? What is the successor of this one? You will get 2. Now just multiply 2 into 1. How much you got? That is 2. On 2 you will get only 2 only. So you can see that what is the value of 15 square? You will get as that is 225. Look students again how you are going to find the value of 25 the whole square. Again we are going to follow the same step. What find the square of this 5? How much you got? That is 25. Okay. Now in the second step we will say that what is the successor of 2? Please say that is 3 and just multiply it. Just multiply 3 into 2. How much you got? That is 6. Okay. Now come to the third question, that is you are going to say that what is the square of this number? That is 35 the whole square. That is what just the first step will do that. What is the square of this 5? That is you will get as 25. You will get as 25. Now say what is the successor of this 3? That is you will get as 4. Just multiply it. 4 into 3, how much you got? That is 20. So these are the method. These are the method by which we can find the square of a number that end with 5. Now let's take one more example later. Example, suppose I got as 115. I got as 115. And look here, this number is also going to end with 5. And now it is asking that how you are going to find the square of this number. Look students, this is a very easy question. Look here, the first is that find the square of this number. Find the square of this number. How much you got? That is a 25. How much you got? That is 25. Now what is the successor of this 11? That is you will get as 12. Okay, just multiply into 12 into 11. How much you got? That is 132. How much you got? That is 132. This is the result. This is the result. Now we can take with the help of calculator. Is it correct or not? Look here. Suppose 115 into 115. How much I got? Look here. You can see that in the calculator, that is how much I got. That is 13,225. In this class we have covered two topics. The first topic is that quickest way to find the square of a number that is nearer to 100, and the second topic is that the quickest way to find the square of a number that end with 5. Students, I hope you got the concept. Thank you.